Hello everyone, Moreshwar this side. Hope you guys are doing great. Well, this is all about Blast, an AI-powered test agent that is created for modern testing. Well, testing nowadays takes too much time and way too much effort because we stuck using so many tools like JIRA, some IDs, Git, CI/CD, some test management tool, and along with this, we started using AI and GitHub Copilot and some other tools, right? But all these tools are disconnected, right? And again, you spend too much time in writing manual test cases, get it reviewed. So this is very tedious and slow process, right? And automation also even slower because we need to write the code from the scratch, right? So keeping everything in mind, I have decided to fix this, and I have built an AI powered test agent all in one platform for modern testing. Yes, it can generate the test plan, it can create the test cases, it can write automation scripts, and it can even execute them. It automatically generates the Playwright and Selenium based scripts based on the test cases that you have created. It can create the branch and it can push your code to the Git repo. Isn't it interesting, guys? Yes, you can even trigger the builds and view automation results, everything in from one place without switching the tools. Yes. So everything from idea to execution happens in one place. Isn't it interesting, guys? So let's hop onto the application and let's see the magic. Okay, let's get started, guys. So this is the login page where you have to log in using your email and password. And before that, you have to sign up. Simply go to this, click on the sign up button and enter all these details. Enter your email address, password, first name, last name, and click on sign up. That's it. And then you'll get a success message that your account has been created successfully. And simply click on sign in. Link, then you'll be taken to this page. Okay, I have already created account. Let me try to log in. Okay, so this is the username and the password. All right, see, I have logged in successfully. So in this video I'll be showing the test connection only. Okay, so this is in detail I'll be showing how to create the API token keys and how to connect. Okay, so these are four tools right now that are integrated with this application: Jira, LLM, Zypher, and GitHub integrations. So let me start with Jira. To connect to Jira, you need a Jira test account. Just create a test account in Jira, and once you create it, have some sample tickets here so that you can fetch these details. Then use this URL. So this will be your Jira URL. Okay, use the same URL and the email address that you have used to log into Jira, and the API token key. To generate API token key, you simply have to go to this URL. Okay, once you create an account and if you navigate to this URL, you will be taken to this page. Simply click on create API token key, enter all the details, expiry date and all, and create it. Make sure the API token key that is generated, you save it in your local machine as well. All right, so once you have those details, just paste the API token key and click on test connection. Okay, so let me give some invalid credentials. Let's see if try to connect. See, it is not connecting. Okay, now I already have the API key. Um, Let me try to connect. Yeah. So this is the API key. Let me test the connection first. It is showing as connected. It will show you the username. All right, username of your Jira, and make sure you save connections. So once you save connection of all these for all these tools, when you click on save connection, your data will be saved. So next time when you try to log in, you need not to use your enter your credentials again and again. Okay, the token key and all. And to connect to LLM provider, you can use any of the LLM provider listed in the drop down. Okay, OpenAI, Grok, Olama, Gemini. So right now I'll be showing how to connect to the Gemini and Grok LLM provider. All right, so to connect to Gemini, simply select this Gemini and you can select any of the model available here. Right now I'm selecting Gemini 3 Flash preview and the token key. To create the token key, you have to go to aistudio.google.com. Make sure you have account over here and just simply go to this URL. I'm going to paste all the URLs in the video description, guys, and click on create API key. And that's it. Enter the expiry date and all whatever required, and copy the API key. Make sure you save it in your local, and just enter it and click on test connection. Once you click on test connection, it'll show that LLM connected, model Gemini 3 Flash preview. It's connected and it's showing as connected over here. Now, to connect to GitHub integration as well, you have to go to this URL. Make sure you have account in GitHub. Okay, and then simply go to this URL, github.com settings slash tokens, and then simply click on generate new token and enter all necessary details and copy the token. Okay, and then use this URL, api.github.com, and paste it. That's it. Paste that API token key and click on test connection. Once you click on test connection, it is going to show the available repositories on that GitHub. Okay, make sure you get this, and then save this connection. That's it. Zyfire, I have not integrated with this tool right now because I don't have a right API key of the Zyfire, but definitely I'm going to use some other test management tool and integrate it, and I'll show it. Okay, so this is all about test connection. Alright, guys, if you are in a QA, test automation, or software engineering, I would like to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment if you found this video useful. Like, comment, and share. Thank you.